In this video, let's talk about how to use Headspace on your desktop web browser. So basically what you want to do is open up a web browser of your choice, search for headspace.com and make sure that you log into your account. As soon as you log in, you're going to see a few sections being displayed if you have used any sort of content previously. If you scroll down further, you can explore more content that is being displayed, whether it be meditation or sleep or any other sort of content that you may be interested in. So what you now need to do is head over to any sort of content that you like and a player will open up where you can choose a teacher. So using this exact method, you can head over to different type of content that you like. Also, what you can do is head over to the search bar on the top left and search for different type of genres of content that you may be interested in. So you can see different content being displayed. If you do like certain kind of content, you can just head over to it and a list of featured content then will start to appear. So using this exact process, you can use Headspace on your web browser on your desktop. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.